From the desert of Sahara
to the lush forest of Africa. Today we are going to explore timeless beauty rituals of Africa that is passed down through generations. Okay, the ancient beauty secret of Africa is not about looking good.
is about harnessing the power of nature to heal and nourish our bodies.
Incorporating this beauty secret into your regimen will bring the wisdom of Africa to you. Today we are talking about Nzu from Nigeria.
All the way from West Africa.
West Africa, yeah. You'll like this, by the way. It's really great.
I've heard about Nzu
Yes.
from a lot of people in my country. I'm just wondering what is in that.
Okay, Nzu.
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 Even the name is difficult. Nzu.
Yeah, because they have an N.
Nzu.
One of the most prominent uses of Nzu in Nigeria is called geography.
Okay.
It is the practice of eating earthy substances.
You eat it?
Yes.
You eat
yeah, pregnant women eat it, by the way.
Oh, wow. Can I
Yes.
see it?
Yes, they do. And I have used a lot of clay. You know how much I love skincare, and I've been into skincare for so many years, more than a decade, but nothing compares to this. This is, oh my gosh.
How did you cook?
And I want to show you what Nzu looks like. This is Nzu
Oh, wow.
from Nigeria. You can see
It's a clay. Or
it's a clay. It's so
look like
easy.
a stone. Though.
Yeah, it looks like a
You
stone.
can eat, Richard.
Yeah, you can eat it, but I do not advise eating Nzu anyway.
When I become pregnant.
Yeah. The tradition of eating Nzu is dated back centuries, and it is being practiced until this day in Nigeria. It is commonly practiced amongst Igbos and Yoruba tribes. It is used in divination practices like, this divination, like local cultural practices,
Divination.
yeah, of praying and these things as well. In Africa as a whole, we have history to back up our claims.
Yeah. Tradition of it.
It is used in ceremonies as a symbol of purity. It helps to cleanse and detoxify the skin. If you have pores, clogged pores, it will cleanse your skin. So the exciting part is trying it out.
And when I put on my skin, it's becoming a bit
Okay. You know what I did? I already have this. So it's going to take time
to crack it.
to crack this. So we'll use this one. I don't know if this is enough for two. Check.
I think
You-
it's enough.
Yeah. And it is rich in magnesium, iron, calcium, and it has a lot of minerals. It helps to brighten the skin and improve the texture of the skin. We'll find out in a few minutes if I'm blabbing or I'm saying the truth.
I'm trying something new today.
Yes,
so.
I hope this is enough.
Yeah, it's
I hope so. In here, I have half part of alum water and half part of rose water.
Oh wow! I mix it together
Yes.
with the Nzu.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, you're adding a drop of that because you have no more to dry skin.
End of mine.
Yours is thicker. But it's okay. Yeah.
You can literally eat it. Come on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is solid. When you start craving insulin in my country, people assume you're pregnant.
This is like you're
Yeah.
craving it.
Do you eat clay?
I eat clay.
Really?
I don't eat clay, but yeah, I'm talking about my country. There's these trees, big trees.
This is for you.
Thank you. We eat that.
Ah,
Me,
okay.
I eat it. Like it smells just the same.
Just the same.
Yeah.
I've never ate this Nzu, but I know a lot of people who have. And I
It
think I'm gonna.
smells really like swell.
Yeah.
You can literally eat it.
Yes.
I don't know. So it has jams, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm scared.
Yeah.
Are you applying around your eye area? You are so
I should.
prominent.
I should, right?
No, not really, but that's okay.
I think I'm going all over my face.
That's okay.
And the lips, no?
The lips, no,
Not,
no, the
not
lips,
yet.
no. It's gonna dry out your lips. This is the best detoxification mask. You can use it as an exfoliator.
Like
While washing it off, you can massage your hands, wet your hands, and begin to rub your skin in a circular motion, but you have to be gentle on your skin. It's gonna remove all blackhead and dead skin cells, and your skin is gonna be squeaky, smooth, and clear. If you apply makeup, people are gonna ask if you have Botox on your face.
Wow.
For real. For real. The more you build this mask, the more difficult it is to get dry.
Really?
That's
And I keep on applying. But it's so soothing, I can't stop.
Yes.
But
So while we are waiting for the mask to dry, let's crush this. You do have this. And I brought this from Carrefour. This is a lot, man. Yeah. The nose.
it is
Very full. Yes. So this one is yours.
Thank I have Nzu,
Yeah.
my natural
Yeah, this is yours.
mask.
Homemade Nzu. This is
Homemade,
natural mask.
yeah,
Actually,
natural
you
mask.
you can sell this. All you have to do is to put label and sell.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
But I can't sell African nature.
No, we
I
can't.
need this for myself. It's glowing, natural.
It's glowing, natural glow.
Yeah.
You know, I never used to believe in this until I did a lot of research, and I found out that this is absolutely. This is from Korea. It's an essence. It's gonna give you that glass skin.
This oil from Morocco.
Yeah, for me, I'm using this moisturizer because I have super oily skin.
The glow is different and the texture is wow.
Wow, it's not the same.
No.
Not at all.
Oh wow.
Yeah?
Nice, soothing. You can literally keep on doing this for the whole day.
The whole day, yeah. Yeah, and when you apply makeup on your skin now, ooh, glass skin. Botox skin. This is Botox in a bottle.
Botox.
Botox, yeah. So beautiful, and we look
And
amazing.
glowing.
Teaching me how to pose. How can I stay like this? Oh my god, a model is different. I'm not a model, I'm just trying. Okay. I only know how to look cute.
You can look cute. You're cute.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay,
look
how?
cute.
Okay, how? Like this? Okay. Okay.
Chin up.
Chin up, okay. Because you know why? My posture is really bad. How can I stand straight? Sometimes I find it difficult to
You
stand
have
straight
to-
and upright.
To make your body, your back straight like
Okay.
this. Sit straight
Still say it's difficult, you know. I'm not used to.
and bed here on
Yeah.
your shoulder.
I like this is more comfortable, but I'm not doing this.
Me
Okay.
too. My shoulder becomes
Really?
like this, and
How about Pilates? Does Pilates help you stand straight? I think so. Pilates helps.
I don't know.
Really. So this is Annie. Follow her on Instagram.
Yes.
It's happy display
And
here on the
subscribe
screen
on our
to my channel.
please.
If you want me to try any DIY or natural skincare product from any country, you can send me a DM or drop a comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.